Hello guys, welcome back in another video. Today we're gonna talk about the pinion cover for the CF MOTO 450. So I'm gonna show you all the features of this pinion cover. So what we are waiting, let's go to check it out. So the main feature of this pinion cover is that you have a quick access by unscrew it, just this one. You can access directly to the pinion. So normally you have to remove this one, and this one on the bottom, and also remove this one. So to access to the pinion is quite easy with our type. You just unscrew this. Okay, and then with just one move, boom, you access, and then with just one move you put inside and you are ready to go. So guys, what do you think about this product? Let me know in the comment section and see you on the next video. Ciao!